Welcome back to Smart Education. Today we are going to solve chapter 9 of class 8th, discount and commission. So in this chapter we are going to solve practice set 9.1. Okay, before starting this I want to clarify about discount. Okay, discount means nowadays there is a price tag on each item of be sold in shop. The price on the tag is called the market price and the discount is given on the market price. So discount is given in the term of percentage. Okay, for example, the selling price is equal to mark price minus discount. This is the formula we are going to use in practice set 9.1. So question number 1 is given. If market price is equal to rupees 1700 and selling price is equal to rupees 1540, then find the discount. So here we are going to find discount with the help of given formula. We'll start with solution now. Question is written. So here market price, the mark price is, the MP is given rupees 1700, selling price is given rupees 1540. Okay, and here we have to find discount. So we have to find the discount. Okay, so we are going to use formula, that is discount equal to mark by price minus selling price. Okay, so here what is given? Mark price is given 1700 and selling price is given 1540. So after subtracting we will get 160. Okay, so therefore discount is equal to 160 rupees. Question number 2. If mark price is rupees 990 and percentage of discount is 10, then find the selling price. Okay, so here we'll start with solution. Solution is mark price is given rupees 990, discount is given 10%, selling price is given. We have to find the selling price. Okay, so let the discount given be rupees X. Okay, now here discount, I'm writing the formula, discount percentage upon 100 equal to discount given upon MP, mark price. Okay, so discount percentage is 10 upon 100 equal to X upon 990. So 10 upon 100 equal to X upon MP, that is 990. So X is equal to, when we cross multiply we'll get 10 into 990 upon 100. Okay, now here this both 0 will cancel, what remain? Therefore X is equal to 99. Now we have to find the selling price. So we'll write the formula of selling price. Selling price is equal to MP minus discount. So rupees 990 minus 99 will get rupees 891. Therefore, the selling price is rupees 991. We got the answer of question number 2. Let the mark price be rupees 100. Okay, we will assume as 100. Now discount is given 20%. Okay, 20% discount and selling price is rupees 900. Okay, now we are going to take the formula of selling price is equal to mark price minus discount. Okay, so here we'll take selling price equal to mark price, will take rupees 100 minus 20. Okay, we'll take 20 rupees in place of discount. Then we'll get rupees 80. Okay, we get selling price as rupees 80. If the selling price is rupees 80, the mark price is rupees 100. So let us assume that mark price is rupees X. Okay, now we are going to assume again that mark price is rupees X, which is sold for rupees 900. Okay, which is sold for rupees 900. So here we'll take 80 upon 100 equal to what is given, selling price 900 upon X. Okay, therefore X is equal to 900 multiplied by 100 upon 80. This both get cancelled. Okay, now what remain? 2 5s are 2 4s are. Okay, again this will get multiplied here with 4. 2 2s are 4, again 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, again 0. Again this will go with 2 1s are, again 2s are, 2s are and 5s are. When we multiply this both, we'll get X is equal to rupees 1125. So therefore MP is equal to 1125. I hope you understood question number 3. Now we are going to solve question number 4. Now question number 4 is given. The mark price of fan is 3000 rupees. Okay, and shopkeeper gave 12% discount on it. Find the total discount and selling price of the fan. So here we have to find the total discount and selling price of the fan. So we are going to solve this sum now with the help of given formula. Now MP is given 3000. Okay, and discount, percentage of discount is 12%. Okay, now here we have to find the discount and selling price of fan. So first we'll start with discount is equal to percentage of discount multiply by MP. Okay, multiply by MP. Now here we'll take percentage of discount is 12 upon 100 and MP is given 3000. This will get cancelled. When we multiply 12 with 30, we'll get rupees 360. Okay, discount is how much? Rupees 360. We got discount, therefore we got discount rupees 360. Now we are going to find selling price. So therefore selling price is equal to MP minus discount. Okay, we are having MP as 3000 and discount we got 360. After subtracting this both, we'll get rupees 2640. So therefore selling price we got rupees 2640. We have found discount and selling price of question number 4. Now question number 5. The mark price of a mixture is 2300 rupees. A customer purchased it for rupees 1955. Find percentage of discount offered to the customer. Now here we are going to find the percentage of discount. Okay, we'll start with solution. Now here MP is given rupees 2300, that is our mark price, and selling price is given rupees 1955. Now here we have to find the discount, percentage of discount. Okay, so we'll start with our formula, that is discount equal to MP minus SP. So here MP is what? 2300, okay, minus 1955. So here after doing subtraction we'll get 345. Okay, we got the discount here. Now what is given? We have to find the percentage of discount. Okay, so therefore the percentage of discount is equal to discount upon MP multiply by 100. Okay, I hope it is visible. Now here discount we got 345 rupees upon MP is given 2300 multiply by 100. Okay, when we cancel this 0, when we divide 23 with 345, we'll get answer 15. So therefore when we divide 23 with 345, we'll get answer as a 15. So the discount offered is 15%. This is our answer for question number 5. Now next question we are going to solve. I hope you might understood this. Now question number 6. So what is question given? A shopkeeper give 11% discount on a television set. Hence the cost price of it is rupees 22,250. Then find the market price of television set. So we have to find the market price of television set. Now we'll start with solution. So here selling price is given rupees 22,250 and discount 11%. We have to find the MP. We have to find the mark price. So let the MP equal to rupees 100 and discount 11%. Okay, so therefore discount rupees 11. Okay, discount is equal to rupees 11%. Okay, so here SP is equal to MP minus discount. So here rupees 100 get minus with 11, so we'll get rupees 89. Okay, so let the mark price of the TV set be X, rupees X. We are going to assume that TV set mark price is X. So we'll use the formula. Selling price is what given? Rupees 22,250 given. Okay, now here what we'll do? We will take selling price (89 upon 100) equal to 22,250 upon X. Okay, now after cross multiplication, X is equal to 22,250 multiplied by 100 upon 89. Okay, now here after cross multiplication, for example, X is equal to, after cross multiplication and division, will get answer 25,000 answer we got here. Now therefore the mark price of TV set is rupees 25,000. This is our answer. Now question number 7. After offering discount of 10% on mark price, a customer get total discount of 17 rupees. To find the cost price for the customer, fill in the following boxes with appropriate numbers and complete the following activity. Suppose market price of item is 100 rupees. So we are going to fill this with the given example given. So we'll start with solution. Now in question number 7, we have to fill the box with appropriate number and complete the activity. So already have read the question. Suppose mark price of item is 100 rupees. For customer, that item cost is dash minus dash is equal to 90 rupees. So that is 100 rupees, 100 minus 10 is 90. Okay, now hence when the discount is dash percent, that is rupees 10%, then the selling price is 90 rupees 90. Okay, suppose when the discount is dash rupees, the selling price is X rupees. So we'll take what is given, 17 rupees is given, so 17 will take here. Okay, now in the place of X is given, X upon what we got here, 90 we got. Okay, suppose the market price of item is 100 rupees. For the customer, that item cost is, we got 90 rupees here, so 90 will come this side. Now what we have, 17 rupees discount, 17 here upon 10. Now here, as you can see, this will come, cross multiply means 17 multiplied by 90 upon 10. So getting this, after multiplying, we'll get 153. Okay, after offering discount of 10%, 10% was a discount, customer get total discount of 17 rupees. Okay, to find the price for the customer, filling the following box with appropriate number and complete the activity. So here the customer will get the item for rupees 153. This is our answer for question number 7. I hope you understood. Just go by step and use the formula. It is very easy. After question number 8, a shopkeeper decided to sell a certain item at a certain price. He tagged the price on the item by increasing the decided price by 25% while selling the item. He offered 20% discount. Find how many more or less percentage he get on the decided price. Okay, we have to find the percent he get, more or less percent he get on the decided price. Okay, so we'll start with solution. So solution is what? Let the decided price be rupees 100. Increase on decided price 25%. Therefore, increase on decided price is rupees 25. Okay, so therefore the mark price is rupees 100 plus 25 equal to rupees 125. Now discount 20% on mark price. Okay, so therefore discount equal to 20 upon 100 multiplied by 125 equal to rupees. Okay, for this, first 0 will cancel, then 2 1s are 2 5s are 525. Okay, so answer will be rupees 25. We got. I hope it is visible. Now next term is, we'll write rupees 25 we got. Therefore selling price equal to MP minus discount. Okay, so MP is what? MP we have 125 minus 25 discount, so we'll get answer 100. Okay, so the decided price and the selling price are the same. So therefore the percentage on decided price is 0. So therefore 0% on decided price. Okay, we got the answer for question number 8. I hope you might understood practice set 9.1 of discount and commission. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.